Tired of manually copying data between WordPress and Salesforce? Here's how to connect them in under 5 minutes. I know the pain. You're jumping between tabs, exporting CSV files, importing them, praying you didn't accidentally transpose a column. And then you get to do it all over again next week. It's tedious, it's error-prone, and honestly, it's a huge waste of your time. You're a professional, and your time is better spent on work that actually matters. So let's fix that. We're going to use a free official connector from the Salesforce AppExchange. No custom coding required, no expensive plugins. Just 3 simple steps to get this thing running. First, head to the Salesforce AppExchange. This is Salesforce's official app store, and it's where you'll find all the trusted integrations. Think of it like the Apple App Store, but for Salesforce. We're going to type WordPress into the search bar at the top. Just the word, WordPress. Go ahead and hit enter. This will pull up every integration that mentions WordPress. You'll see a few options here. Some are paid, some are free. There might be a couple that look similar, so pay attention. Now, from the search results, click on the right connector. You're looking for one that's officially called the WordPress connector for Salesforce. I've tested a few of these over the years, and this one is the most straightforward. Plus, because it's listed on AppExchange, you know it's been vetted by Salesforce for security. That's a big deal when you're syncing customer data. Just click that listing to open up the full details page. Take a quick look at the description and the reviews if you want. It's always good practice to see what other people are saying. All right, now for the fun part. Just hit the Get It Now button. You'll see it right there on the listing page. It's a big green button, so it's hard to miss. When you click that, Salesforce will ask you to log in if you aren't already. Then it'll walk you through a quick installation wizard. This might take a minute or two to process, especially if you're in a Salesforce org with a lot of existing customizations. Just follow the prompts. The wizard asks you which users should have access to this integration. I usually recommend starting with just yourself during the setup. That way, you can test everything before rolling it out to your whole team. Once it's installed, you'll see a confirmation message, and you're good to go. So that's it. From manually copying data every single day to a connection that just works. No more wasted hours, no more stressing about whether a lead fell through the cracks because of a typo. You've gone from manual drudgery to automated, error-free integration. And honestly, that's the kind of win that gives you back hours every single week. Now, you can focus on what you actually do best. Good luck.